Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some small traditional box braids, and I'll be using the colors 613 and 27 mixed and number 30 and 27 mixed. Let's get started. I also use 2 packs of hair. One packet of hair has 2 bundles each, so 4 bundles total. So today we're going for more of a full and wavy look. So I would not be braiding all the way down. I will be braiding about an inch or so past the client's hair, and then I'll tie a small knot. I've now completed 2 rows around the perimeter of my client's hair, and now we're about to do the inside of her hair. I'm using some Shine and Jam to clean up my parts, and then I'm going to continue braiding using the curved method so that my braids fall between each other. I'm going to be extending my braids as needed. And this is what my parts look like so far. Beautiful. I'm now at the top of my client's hair, and I'm going to try to get the braids as close together as possible. I'm now at the front of my client's hair and she's going to be wearing a middle part, so I'm going to braid accordingly. We're at the finish line. This is our last braid. We're now finished braiding, so I'm going to be clipping the ends of the hair and getting the hair ready to be dipped in hot water. So this is the finished look and she loved it. It's full and it's light, it's not heavy at all, and the curls are just what she wanted. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.